Okay, today we're talking about mean absolute deviation. It's time to get mad, pre-algebra. So what is mad? Okay, so it's kind of a three-step process. First, you have to find the mean. What the mad is how far is each number from the mean? How far does it deviation from the mean? So what's the mean absolute deviation? So how far does each number deviate? Once you find the deviations, so if you find the mean of those. So it's a double mean. Find the mean, 18. How far are each of these numbers from the mean? Right here. Okay, so you're just subtracting them from 18 or 18 from them, whatever. Notice it cannot be negative. That's where the absolute comes from, absolute value. 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 10, 12. Add up all those deviations, divide by how many there are, 7, and you get 4.7 as your mad. Now, what do we use the mad for? It's a very, very accurate way of telling how spread apart your data is. Okay, what if the higher the number, the more spread apart, the lower the number, the more compact the data is, more consistent. So if we take a look down here at this one, it says number of tomatoes in 5 boxes was 18, 21, 16, 19, and 20. Find the mad. All right, so let's first add them all up. 18 plus 21 plus 16 plus 19 plus 20 is 94. I'm going to go over here, 94. Divide by 5 is 18.8. All right, now with decimals, it makes it a little trickier, but that's okay. We can still do it. 18.8, so that's a 0.8 variation there. And then now we're above it, so that's 2.1, 2.2. We're below it again, so it's going to add a 0.8, so 2.8. 19 is just 0.2 away, and 20 is 1.2 away. Add them all up. 0.8 plus 2.2. Actually, 2.8 and 2.2 are 3, plus another 1.2. And you get 7.2. Divide by 5, and you get a deviation of 1.44. Okay? Now, that's pretty consistent. Nice and low, only about 1, maybe 2. So that's a nice, consistent data. Okay? The basic conclusions you're going to draw from matter, is it spread apart or is it consistent? Now, when you're looking at two different ones, okay, find the mad here of girls' heights and boys' heights. Okay, the mad of girls' heights is 1.75, and the mad of the boys' heights, and this is all the work. It does take a little time to do these problems, which is why I'm not going to do them all in the video. Okay, we can see that girls are more consistent in their height than boys. Okay, boys vary up to 4 inches on average, and then girls only vary 1.75 inches on average. All right, you do the same thing here with high and low temperatures, but I'm not going to take the time for that. All right, that is mean absolute deviation. It does take a little bit of time. Find the mean. How far is each number from the mean, the deviation, and then what's the mean of that? All right, have a great day. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson.